Maybvlogs murder case by maybe guilty, maybe not.
Mehak Bukhari and 7 others. Accused of a murder and manslaughter. Trial day 25. From Leicester Crown Court.
The driver accused of ramming a car off the A46, killing 2 men, has told a court he never rammed the vehicle and never tried to hurt anyone. The jury in the double murder trial of TikTok influencer Mehak Bukhari and 7 others has previously heard that Leicester police collision investigators found evidence that the Seat Leon, being driven by defendant Raiz Jamal, had crashed into the back of the Skoda, which then skidded sideways into the central reservation, killing both men inside. But giving evidence in his defense yesterday, Raiz Jamal said there was only one moment of contact between the seat and the crash victim's Skoda, and it happened well before the fatal collision. He said the light contact was because the Skoda was trying to block him off as he tried to get past it. He admitted he was trying to get the Skoda to stop, falsely believing one of the 2 men, Saqib Hussain, was blackmailing Mehak. In fact, Saqib, 21, had been blackmailing Mehak's mother, Ansreen, now 47, with whom he had been having an affair for the past 3 years. Giving evidence to his own barrister, Leonard Smith KC, Raiz admitted that at one point earlier in the pursuit, he drove the seat ahead of the Skoda on the A607 and then braked to try to make the Skoda stop, an incident that was caught by a CCTV camera at the Bentley dealership near Watermead Park. When asked by Mr. Smith why he was braking after pulling in front of the Skoda, Raiz said, "I was trying to slow them down." Mr. Smith asked why he wanted to slow them down. Raiz replied, "Slow them down so that they could stop." Mr. Smith asked, "Block them in?" Raiz replied, "Yeah." Discussing the incident later on, when the Skoda and seat did make contact on the A46, Raiz said, "I tried overtaking the Skoda from the right lane, but the Skoda had blocked me off. At that point, the Skoda had come into contact with my car. It was a light contact." Raiz said that about 10 seconds after the contact with the Skoda, he made another attempt to get past. He said, "Further along the road, I tried overtaking the Skoda again. The Skoda had tried to come into me again. Everyone in my car didn't want anyone getting hurt. I pulled back as soon as I could. I didn't intend for anyone to get hurt." Mr. Smith said, "By anyone, do you mean in both cars?" Raiz said, "Yes." Mr. Smith asked Raiz why he didn't give up. He replied, "At the time I was trying to stop him, slow him down. I wanted the blackmail to stop. The blackmail completely gone, so he wouldn't come back and threaten Mehak again." The jury has previously heard from the prosecution that Mehak got her friends Rican Karwan and Raiz Jamal to organize an ambush at a Tesco supermarket car park in Leicester to deal with the blackmailer. Some of her co-accused are said to have been wearing balaclavas, and at least one of them has admitted being armed. It is said that when the victims of the later crash, Saqib Hussain and Hashim Ijazuddin, arrived at Tesco, they saw the masked men and fled up the A46, where a Seat Leon being driven by Raiz Jamal rammed into the Skoda Fabia, sending it hurtling into the central reservation, where it smashed into a tree before bursting into flames. Yesterday, Raiz admitted some degree of responsibility for the crash, which happened at about 1:30 a.m. on Friday, February 11th, last year.
Today's proceedings and updates are next up. Please read on for the latest. Thank you. proceedings are over or adjourned, we will be back on Monday. We thank you for your unconditional love and support. We hope you will continue to support us.